Hello guys, welcome to Deset Media Production. I'm Dave. This is my little dog Lucky. Lucky is crossbreed between Jack Russell and Park. They call him Lucky Jack. So welcome to our first video in 2020, and we're bringing you a channel update, letting you know what is new for us and what is coming in 2020 for DMP. My apologies for not uploading any videos lately, and the reason for that is LinkedIn. So pretty much I've been very active on LinkedIn for the last probably about 3-4 months, trying to create a network where we can help people in need. The reason why I started that networking initiative is to raise resources and connect people to help people in need throughout the world. It has been accepted quite well. We created a network page. It's called Networking Beyond Borders. And also we created a YouTube channel that we're going to start uploading videos there, and also be live streaming networking events and also interviews throughout the year with people that are active in networking community and helping people. So that was something that I've been focused lately, so that is going to change. I will be more active on YouTube, and I will be posting more videos in that sense. Now the second part of all that is virtually connected with the Networking Beyond Borders. So we are going to try to raise funds to help people that really need help throughout the world, whatever the cause is. Lately we had bushfires in Australia, and also there's a bunch of causes and initiatives that really need our help, but we can get people around. But when it comes to funds, there's always limited amount that we can possibly raise. So another thing was to get an option to combine my love of networking and my secondary love, which is gardening. So what we're going to do is try to experiment with gardening and see if we can actually raise some money through microgreens and building up the greenhouse, and pretty much helping by selling food to support people in need. Gardening, we'll be showing you how easy it is to garden on a balcony. So urban gardening is something that we're trying to promote. It's a fresh produce that you're going to have off your balcony or off your small backyard, even townhouse that is probably about 5 by 5 of garden space. You can still do it. It's not hard. There's no excuse. I don't have time, I don't have space, I don't have opportunities, I can't water the garden. Trust me, you can do it. If I can do it, you can do it. So you have to immerse yourself in the idea. Once you have that first starting point, I guarantee you, you will have more desire, more initiative, more willpower to actually do some gardening around your house or on a balcony. That initiative, that first starting point, is getting seeds in the ground, watching them grow, the first germination. When you see that, you're going to start loving it. You're going to start taking care of it. You're actually giving life. You're giving life to something new, a new living plant. So we are trying to combine giving life to new plants to giving opportunity for better life for people around the world. So as you can see here, we already started doing experiments in our pretty much balcony gardening. I know we have a little space around here. We are not on our own property. Property is rented. So we can't really change much, but nothing's stopping you to do gardening from tubs. You can pretty much grow anything from any type of container that can hold a soil and water, and with a little bit of help, I know you can do it. We'll guide you, we'll show you how easy it is to feed, to fertilize, to water, to care for your living plants. And trust me, you have to try. And we're going to be experimenting for you and let you know what works and what doesn't, so you don't fail. But also it's fun. It is really fun to try something new, to see if it works, and if it works, why not use it? So throughout this video I'll show you what we have done and what sort of experiments when we started. So I was pretty much amazed with some of the things that grow from certain spots. That even if you have a small yard where you have to do the grass cutting and you don't know what you're going to do with it, so trust me, pile it on one pile and add some fertilizer, some soil, mix it up with it, and I guarantee you something will grow out of it, and we'll show you what can possibly grow out of that pile of just pretty much grass mulch. We still don't have YouTube channel for that. We'll use this channel to upload all the gardening and pretty much experimental videos in gardening sense, and also pretty much show you the way how it works from start and how it works throughout the gardening season. We are trying to do something that is a good cause in the long term, in the long run. We will try to grow our produce and try to sell it outside so we can actually raise more money. I'm not talking about these plants, I'm talking about microgreens, and talking about something that we can have a turnover and start using those funds to build a greenhouse where we can possibly expand our operation as a non-profit organization. We'll see how that goes, if we have any success and any luck with this, with our experiments, and if we can try to find out a place where we can possibly rent out a spot and build a greenhouse. That would be absolutely brilliant. So as I said, we'll try from small, we'll try to build some funds to actually raise more funds to build more and buy more seeds, more trays, more equipment, so we can approach restaurants and hotels and markets and sell our produce to raise funds to help people in need. What do you reckon, Lucky? Good? Looks good? We're gonna inspect it? Well done. Alright, I want to show you. This is a container from I think it's a 10-litre container. That was the water container that we purchased, spring water, and we cut a couple of tomatoes. Sorry, we cut a couple of tomatoes, planted them in. So pretty much not planted them in, we just tossed them in to see whether they're going to grow just like that. And look at that, absolutely fantastic. We have some cherry tomatoes and some determined tomatoes that they're ready to be transplanted. So we will show you how that's going to go, and how we'll give you an update on that video. So pretty much most resilient plant known to me, that you just dig the hole, plant it, and it'll just grow. It's absolutely unbelievable. So again, our next video will be about certain things we try with figs. We'll also try to grow some figs from seeds, see how that's going to work, do some experiments with that. And yeah, if we can grow those and try to sell the plants to the public, will be absolutely brilliant. So we can help raise more funds and help people that deserve to be or need to be helped. So up until the next time, yours always, Dave, and my little dog Lucky. See you soon. Good boy. Pretty good. Hello, puppy.